parallel lines. Next, in the yesterday class we discussed about meridians. So meridians, in the meridians are nothing but longitudes. The long lines are called longitudes. So here meridians are the important for to know about the international date line. So here meridians which passes through the north pole to south pole, which passes through the north pole to south pole in a equal distances. And here in the meridians we have already know that each and every meridian's length between 111 kilometers, and in the meridians there are 180 meridians are present to the west side and 180 longitudes were present to the east direction. So here northern and southern hemisphere in the parallels, as well as in the meridians we know that eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, so earth always divides in the meridians lines. Earth will divide it like this. This is the eastern meridians and this is the western meridians. Okay, so here, the line, the starting line, the beginning meridian line is a Greenwich meridian line. So Greenwich meridian line is a 0 degree line. So 0 degree line, from 0 degree line is, we call it as a Greenwich meridian, which located on London in UK. Okay, so here the Greenwich meridian have a various names. One is prime meridian, another one is a main meridian. So prime meridian or main meridian or Greenwich meridian are the three words are same. Okay, so later we need to discuss. Today our main topic is properties of longitude. So in the previous class, in the first chapter, in the first class we discussed the properties of longitudes. Properties of latitudes we discussed. But today in this class we are going to discussing properties of longitudes. Okay, so here look at in your textbook. Longitudes. Properties of longitudes. Properties of longitudes. So here properties of longitudes. Look at in your textbook. Longitudes do not run parallel to each other but meet at the two ends. So parallels already I told this is parallel. So here this A, B, this C, D. So here A to B the same distance, C to D same distance, and these two distances are the same. Understand? This is called parallel. But these parallels were present in the latitudes. Parallels were present in the latitudes. But when we come to the longitude, here no parallels. No parallels. But the 2 points, which are the 2 points? North pole and south pole are the 2 points. North north and end with the south. And again the another longitude will begin from the north pole and end in the south pole. Understand? Understand? Here each and every longitude are not parallel. There is no parallel, but they will meet in the end of the 2 points. Understand? That is the first property of the longitude. Longitude do not run parallel to each other but meet at the ends. Next, the longitudes are the farthest part of the part at the equator. The gap between them decreases gradually as we move towards the poles where the longitudes meet. So here, equator. Equator will comes here. No. So here, each and every longitude, each and every longitude are farthest. Farthest means dura. Tumba. There is a long distance between the equator to longitude. Understand? So as well as when the longitudes are moving to the north pole, the size of the longitudes are decreasing. Size of the longitude is decreasing. See here. Here the length is, the longitude length is this much, but here length is decreasing. Understand? When we come to here, the length is far away. But when it comes here, it is again the slightly it was dragged. Understand? This is called a second property. So second property, the longitudes are farthest apart at the equator. So each and every longitudes are far away from the equator. Next, the gap between them decrease gradually. Decrease gradually means decreasing the length, decreasing the distance. See here, each and every longitudes are decreasing the length when it moves towards to the north pole. Here also, when the length is very high, see, here it will come in very less. Now very less. Understand? This is the when it moves towards the south pole and north pole, the length are decreasing. Understand? Next, the poles where the longitudes meets. Next, I hope you understand the second point. Second property. Farthest apart of the equator. Apart at the equator. Equator. Understand? Okay. The next one is there are only two properties are there in the longitudes. Only two properties. One is there is no parallel lines in the longitude, but they meet in the 2 points. End 2 points. Another property is each and every longitudes are farthest to the equator. Okay, and they are decreasing in the size when they are moving towards the poles. That is the two properties. Okay. Next our topic is, next point is locating places on the globe. So locating places on the globe. The network of parallels are meridians and the globe is called a grid or the gradical. So the network of the parallels and meridians and the globe is called the grid. So here by grid? The network of parallels and meridians on the globe is called grid. What is grid? The network of the meridians and parallels on the globe. It is called grid or gratical. Okay. So we can locate all places on the earth surface with the help of this grid. Why we need this grid? Why we need this grid? To locate the places. Why we need to locate the places? Next, to locate a place on the globe, we should know the value of latitude and longitude. So here they are telling that value. Value. What is mean by value? Value is nothing but already I told you degrees. You know degrees. Already I told you Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. of that latitude and the meridian of that longitude cross each other is the location of that place. So here I told you so here the passing, for example, here the place is there, here one place is there. Okay, so this country not present on the grid, but below this, inside the grid, the country is present. Okay, so on the time we will decide with the help of Western and with the help of Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so here Tropic of Capricorn were present 23.5 degree latitude. So this is called equator zero. Understand? So below that, where it is, we can divide the centimeter degrees. Okay. So in your textbook you know this. Look at in your textbook. Here they gave the western side 160 degree west grid, 150 west grid, 140 west grid, 130 west grid. Is there no? So 120 west grid, 110 west grid, 100 west grid, next 80 west grid. So 100 after what came? 0 degree. 100 after what came? 0 degree. Then what is the differences between each degree? From 0 to 100, 100 degree, 100 degrees are difference. But next grid, 10 degrees are difference. First 100 came, later 110. So from one grid to another grid, how many degrees are difference? 10 degrees. From one here, 110, 120, 130. 10 grids are differences. Understand? Understand? So likewise, in the next class, in the higher classes, in your higher classes, you will going to study about this detailing. Okay. So now you understood. Okay. Okay, my dear students. I hope you understood. Once again, I will click on this topic. So here, grid is nothing but the network of the parallel lines are latitudes and longitudes on the globe is called a grid. Okay, this grid is useful for locate the places. So how to locate? With the help of values of the parallels, longitudes and latitudes. Okay, so here we can divide the earth into two halves, the western half and the eastern half. So in the longitudes we have one of the important 0 degree longitude is there, that is Greenwich meridian. Okay, so here another one is importantly, when we take on the basis of grid, we can locate the place. With the help of latitudes and longitudes, we can able to locate the places easily. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand the complete chapter parallels and meridians.